Hey everyone! If you love the Webflow designer but don't want to pay those monthly hosting fees just to get your code out, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you the exact workflow to export your site in 2 minutes. Step 1. Publish your Webflow site. First, go into your Webflow designer and make sure all your changes are saved. Click the Publish button at the top right. Ensure your site is live on the free.webflow.io staging domain. Xflow needs a public URL to read your site structure, so this step is essential. Step 2. Connect to xflow.site. Now head over to xflow.site or use their Chrome extension if you have it installed. In the main input field, paste the URL of your published Webflow site. Unlike the native Webflow export, Xflow will actually follow your links to find every page on your site, not just the one you're looking at. Step 3. Configure your export settings. Before you hit Go, check your settings in the Xflow dashboard. Make sure All Pages is selected if you want your full site. Ensure the boxes for CSS, JS, and images are checked. Pro tip: in 2026, Xflow has an option to remove Webflow badge. Check that box to get a completely clean, unbranded version of your site for free. Step 4. Run the export and download. Click the Export button and Xflow will now crawl your site. It will take a few seconds to scrape the HTML, grab your assets from the Webflow CDN, and organize them into folders. Save that file to your computer and unzip it to see your clean folder structure. And that is how you get your Webflow code out into the world without the expensive subscription. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.